Yo guys, what is good? It's your boy Jalmong here, back again with another video. And today we have one of my craziest unboxings yet. Alright, as always, before I begin today's video, if you guys didn't see my most recent video where I go over the Asics Gel 1130s that I bought for my girlfriend, make sure to go check it out afterwards. But in today's video, we actually have something a little different, so it's nothing like a sneaker unboxing, but I wanted to let you guys in on some news. So for those of you guys that don't know, and if you guys have been part of my channel for a while now, you've probably heard this 1,000 times. So my girlfriend and I have been together for about 9 years now. We started dating in high school. And throughout our time together, we've always been talking about possibly getting married one day. Honestly, I've been ready for a while. I've been really wanting to get married. The only thing that was really stopping us was, first we were in school, so we had to finish school to make sure that we were able to get a job. But after a while, you know, it was just job searching and making sure that we do have financial stability. And this year I finally got a full-time job and I'm kind of ready to slow down in life. And I'm sure you guys all know what's coming up next. I got one of my craziest pickups ever. Now, this is not necessarily some kind of grailed, it's not some kind of limited edition. I mean, it honestly is limited, but this is something that is going to be worth a lifetime. And I wanted to show you guys because I feel like you guys are a huge part of my life. Now, in 2 days from filming this video, I'm going to get down on one knee and ask my girlfriend if she will marry me. Now I want to show you guys the ring, but obviously I'm not showing it to you guys before she sees it. By the time this video comes out, I would have already proposed to her and hopefully she said yes. I mean, definitely if she says no, then this video is not coming out, but obviously I unboxed everything on my channel with you guys. So this is gonna be no different. And in 3, 2, 1, sheesh! Yes, sir. Isn't that beautiful? So yeah, I decided to pick this up and I'm ready to take things to the next step. I feel like I talk about my girlfriend all the time on my channel and I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update for what's going on in my life. Yes, I always do things sneaker related. Honestly, right now I don't even have anything to make with sneakers. I have no sneakers I want to buy, but I also kind of want to make this channel more of a lifestyle channel as well, where again, I let you guys into other parts of my life than just shoes. And obviously I'm a smaller channel, so chances are for those of you guys that are watching, a lot of you guys know me personally. You are either my close friends, my family, or you're even my students. So you guys all mean something to me in some way or form, and I feel like it's deserving of you guys to know what's going on in my life. But for those of you guys that, let's say we've never met before, and you have been following the channel for a while, even though I don't know you personally, you have been staying consistent with watching my videos. Maybe not week from week, but you watch multiple of my videos and you probably know that I do have a girlfriend. I also want to let you guys know what's happening as well. My channel, yes, it is devoted to sneakers, but I also want to let you guys know when big major life changes are happening. And this is a huge life change. And this is a huge step to getting married. And obviously after this, I'll be saving up for a wedding. I'll be planning for a wedding. I'll definitely need to stop spending a lot of money on sneakers. But yeah, moving forward, I feel like there's gonna be a lot of changes in my life, especially with planning for a future with my girlfriend or my future wife. Yeah, I mean, I can't believe it. It's been a journey. For those of you guys that have been a part of the journey, that have been with us for a while, I thank you for supporting us. I mean, it does mean a lot. I know that a lot of you guys were waiting. A lot of you guys have been expecting it for a long time. And I'm sorry it took so long. I know that there are other couples that have started dating after us and got engaged or even married way before us, but I feel like now is the perfect time. Good things come to those that wait, and this is definitely the best moment to do it. So yeah, this is not a crazy video. I don't think it's gonna find many sneakerheads on YouTube, but hopefully if you're watching, you still found this interesting to some extent. I mean, at the end of the day, most people only get married once in their life. So this is a huge step for me. All right, and we're back. It's been 5 days since I filmed the earlier segment of this video, and I'm proud to announce that she said yes. I proposed to my girlfriend on June 13th, which was a Saturday. It was honestly the same day that the Knicks won the championship, so it was an amazing day for everyone. But for me, it was definitely a special day, and for her as well. I took her on a hot air balloon ride, and when we were up in the sky, I popped the question. She honestly knew. She was not surprised. I thought she would have been surprised, but I guess after 9 years, she really knows, you know, when I'm trying to plan something for her. But it's all good. At the end of the day, I'm just so happy to take things to the next level. She's now my fiance, and it's so weird to call it that because I've just been calling her my girlfriend for the longest time. Yeah, she has a ring now. It's beautiful. We had a whole celebration with our loved ones, and now it's time to plan for the wedding. And honestly, we haven't even started thinking about it yet. I mean, I only proposed to her a couple of days ago, but we definitely need to start saving up some money, which means I definitely got to take it a little easier with the sneakers. That doesn't mean I'm not going to post any more content. I still am, but I definitely will have a little less unboxings than I normally will. But yeah, this is really exciting for me because I have just been waiting for this for a long time. I was so nervous, guys. You can't even imagine. Basically, like during the actual time of setting up for the hot air balloon, the staff workers told me that it was kind of getting a little windy, so they didn't know if they could necessarily take us up yet. I was really scared because I thought that my plan would have been soiled by then, but fortunately enough, we were able to just get the balloon going. We jumped right on and we went into the sky, and it was so beautiful. I don't even know what to say because so much has happened in the last few days. I mean, on the 12th, that was my birthday, and I actually proposed to my girlfriend the next day afterwards because I didn't think that she would expect me to do it on a weekend that was gonna be about me. I had a lot going on in the weekend. I turned 26. I got engaged. The Knicks won the championship. Honestly, June 2026 has been a pretty good month for me. And yeah, thanks for being a part of this. I really thank you guys for hearing me out, for listening, and for watching this video all the way through. Again, I know it's not sneakers, but I definitely wanted to share this with you guys. But that's pretty much all I got for today in this big life update. I'm gonna head back to our earlier segment where I close out on this video, so I'll see you there. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys how it looks one last time. And basically, I know a lot of girlfriends go ring shopping with their boyfriends, telling them what they want. But basically, my girlfriend sent me a bunch of pictures that she wanted in a ring. I basically kind of just picked and choose for what I thought would be best. So yeah, I kind of just picked this one out. Hopefully she likes it. I mean, I think it's beautiful, but at the end of the day, it's really her opinion. Now, it really did come from my heart, and it came from what I think she would love. But yep, there we have it. One of my craziest pickups yet. And honestly, I have no idea how to end this video because typically I'll end it with a question asking you guys what you think, but honestly, there's no opinion to this. This is just what's happening. But hopefully you guys liked it and found it interesting. And if you guys liked the video, again, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to hear more from me, smash the subscribe button because more will be on the way. And again, a crazy pickup indeed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.